Ka All India Children's Educational E-Content Competition. Kabadai ka Jingtip Tho Katkum ka Juk Stad ka bamenta. Na kabanta bandang Pynïar Shushu ka Jingtip Sha Khynnah berkisam lapule. Kelas Sdang menta ka sengi North East Regional Institute of Education Umiam. Badia kate ka Jingtip lapanlong da ka Central Institute of Educational Technology CIET NCERT Delhi. Ya kate ka Jingtip ars ngilanter lawan man plipajba da Profesor PS Shukla, Vice Chancellor ka Nehu Kumukongsan. Ha ka jingdan lang u Profesor Amerandra Behara, Joint Director ka CIET NCERT. Profesor FG Dakar, Principal ka Nerie, bat kiwe ki kraw perkat kinawat banyak kinuhikai na kaleng ki jaka jungkari.
Thank you. Our government of India is doing a lot for e-content development. NCERT, its center, professors and teachers fully engaged in developing the e-content. And why it is required? Why we are doing this? The e-content can be substitute of class to class or direct interactive education. This is the kind of challenge in coming 25 years of the country. And our Prime Minister commonly known or commonly said, this is the Amrit Kal period. During this period, what should be our role? Being a teacher. Teachers are builders of the nation. Teachers are building and also inculcating the good kind of knowledge in the younger generation as well as children of our nation. If we are going to sow a good seed in the mind of our children through the e-content or through other ways, definitely we can achieve the goal of 2047. That's why in this period, really we are exerting, we are doing, and our government is facilitating to develop new kind of pedagogies with the application of our innovative minds. Everybody have the intellect, everybody have the mind. It's depend on individual how they are going to utilize their mind in the right perspective for developing the career of their own children as well as the children and youth of the country.
If I talk about the National Education Policy 2020, which was rolled out by the Government of India in July 2020, so which has very emphatically mentioned in the chapter related to curriculum that the curriculum should be holistic, integrated, engaging and enjoyable. And also while talking about the national education scenario of the country, the policy says that we need to have equitable quality education and lifelong learning for all, rooted to Indian culture and ethos. So, which is our key concern, and if all academia, all of us, we think that we have to impart quality education for all and a comparable quality education for every child, and also capacity building of all 90 lakh teachers in school education sector, and altogether nearly 1 crore teacher in the country. So technology is very pertinent to be used. So similarly, while talking about engaging and enjoyable education system, we need to have engaging curriculum and the contents as well. So there the role of e-contents comes in a big way, whether it is audio, video, interactives, and in today's world, particularly interactive contents like augmented reality, virtual labs content is also there. And across the discipline, all of us, we know that now dissection of frogs are banned in classrooms because we cannot put environment hazards through these processes. So till children get a frog to dissect, to know the different body parts, definitely e-content can help us in a way to understand better.